Hello, hello. Welcome to 8.4 homework help. Here we go. All right. 1 through 4. It says vertical transformations on graphs. Use the graph below. Well, okay, we'll start with number 1. Use the graph below to draw a new graph that is translated up 3 units. So we are going up 3 units. Okay. So we're just moving all of these points up by 3. So we'll just start, we'll go left to right. So here I am. Sorry, that was really loud. Let me turn down my phone. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to start here, and I'm going to move up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. There's my new point. Okay, we're going to do that with all of them. So then my next point, I'm going to move it up 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then my next point, I'm going to move it up 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious, guys. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. Move it up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. All right. The next point. So now here we are. We're going to move it up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Woo! And then the next one. We're going to move it up 3. 1, 2, 3. And the last one. We're going to move it up 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Then you have to connect all of your points with a line. Hold on. Let me pause you to do this. I'm going to pause you so I connect all my points. 1 second. Oh. Wait for it. Okay. There. I connected them all with a line, or with lines. All right, so that's number 1. You're done. So then number 2, you're doing the same thing, except these are not connected by lines, so you do not need to connect them with a line. So you're just going to move all these points down 1 unit. Down 1, down 1, down 1. Sorry, down 1. Here, I'll start it. So this guy, I'm going to move him down 1, move him down 1, move him down 1. Oh, he's like in the middle. So he'd be like right there, move him down 1, move him down 1. Okay, so he's like kind of in the middle, a little bit closer to 1, so I'm going to move him down there. Okay, so it's estimation. This guy is like right there. Okay, and so on and so forth. So we're going to move all those down 1. Okay, same thing with 3 and 4. So 3, what are we doing? Down 4 units. So you're going to move everything down 4. So this guy, you're going to move it down 4. This guy, you're going to move down 4. Move it down 4. Move it down 4. Okay, this is a straight line, right? These are straight lines. So you don't need to do all of them. You could just move this guy down 4 and move your origin down 4. If you connect them with a straight line, you'll be good. Okay? Let's see. And then 5 through 8. Hold on. You have been given the equations of f of x and the transformation g of x equals f of x plus k. Graph both f of x and g of x. Then write the linear equation for g of x in the space provided. Okay. Sorry, let me do it one more time. That was long. Okay. You have been given the equations of f of x and the transformations of g of x equals f of x plus k. Graph both f of x and g of x. Then write the linear equation for g of x in the space provided. Okay. Goodness gracious. So f of x is 2x plus 4. I'm going to go ahead and just graph that one thing at a time here. So 2x plus, minus 4. 2x minus 4. So that means my y-intercept is negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. Wait. There we go. Okay, that's my y-intercept. Okay, and then my slope is 2, which means it's 2 over 1. So I'm going to go up 2 to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1. Okay, up 2 to the right 1. It's a positive slope. Up 2 to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1. If you want to go the other way, you could go down 2 over 1. There we go. Oh, I kind of missed my point there. You don't have to make all those points. Really, you only need to make 2 or 3 so that you can draw a line to connect them all. That's the point. Shift that down just a little bit. There we go. All right. So there's my first line. There's f of x. G of x. F of x plus 3. So before I graph it, okay, well, let's think about this. F of x plus 3. What does that mean? What am I doing to f of x? Okay. What does this plus 3 mean? It means I'm going to shift it 3 up. Remember, we're talking about vertical shifts. Now I can't remember what I called it in class. Vertical transformations, vertical shift, whatever. You're moving it up or down. It's positive, so I'm moving the whole graph up 3. So if you want to do that first, you can do that first. Okay, so if I'm moving everything up 3, 1, 2, 3, just like we did at the last with the last problem, you're moving all the points up 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. So we're here, we're going 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. You can do that and graph your line. You also have to write the equation. So to write your equation, g of x equals f of x plus 3. Well, once you have your new graph, you could figure out your y-intercept based on your new graph, or you can do what we did in class. All right, we're going to substitute 2x minus 4 in for f of x. We're going to substitute 2x minus 4 in for f of x. So 2x, minus 4, and then don't forget to rewrite your plus 3. So we're substituting this in, 2x minus 4 in for f of x, and then don't forget to write your plus 3. And then you just simplify that. So 2x equals 2x is the only thing with an x, so I can't combine it with anything, so we just rewrite it. So 2x, and then I have negative 4 plus 3. Negative 4 plus 3, which is negative 1. And if you look at your new graph, your y-intercept will in fact be negative 1. All right? So that's what goes down here. G of x equals 2x minus 1. Okay, that's enough. I'll go ahead and draw a line and connect those. Oops, except I can't see that dot. Hold on. There we go. Should be something like 1, 2, 3. Okay. Something like that. There you go. So there are your two lines, f of x and g of x. So you're going to do the same thing for number 6. Ooh, so number 6, you have f of x equals 0.5x. Okay, that means your y-intercept is 0. You could rewrite this as, let me go in between. No? Okay. We'll go over here. Oh, no, there we go. Go right here. Right there. F of x equals 0.5x plus 0. Plus 0. They just don't write in the plus 0 because adding 0 doesn't do anything. Okay. So your y-intercept is 0. Your slope, if the 0.5 is throwing you off, okay, so a slope of 0.5 is equal to 1/2. So your slope is 1/2. I don't know why they felt like they had to give it 2 in a decimal. So your slope is 1/2. Okay, 0.5 is the same thing as 1/2. All right, 7 and 8. Based on the given graph, write the equation of g of x in the form g of x equals f of x plus k. Then simplify the equation of g of x into slope-intercept form. Okay, so we have our f of x equation. We have the two graphs, all right? So we just have to figure out what is the vertical shift. What is the vertical shift? From f of x to g of x, what is the vertical shift? Translation form is this form. So g of x equals f of x. And then, well, are we going up or down? From f of x, do we move our graph up or do we move it down? Here. So we went up. So it's going to be positive. We're adding something on. And then I would just look at your graph. What's the vertical shift? Well, this is at -3, right? This is at 0, -3. That's our y-intercept is -3. And it goes to 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're shifting all of the points up by 4. If you wanted to check, you could try another point. Here's another point. Do we also move this point up 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. We do. Okay. So there's your translation form. Okay, so your vertical shift is 4. And then slope-intercept form, just how we did it in class. So now you're going to have g of x equals f of x plus 4. Okay, you're substituting this in for f of x. F of x equals 1 x minus 3 plus 4. And then simplify it. 1/4 x. And then I have minus 3 plus 4. -3 plus 4, which is 1. So this would be x plus 1. All right, so that's what they want you to do. So now you're going to do that same thing for number 8. And that's all I got for you. Good luck. Have fun.